Good morning students. From today we are going to start our first digital class on mathematics of class 5. We will begin with our first chapter, that is whole numbers. Let's begin our chapter with a simple question that may arise in your mind, that why should we study numbers? Why do we need to study about numbers? We need to study about numbers because numbers are present everywhere in this world. Almost every work that we do in our day-to-day life depends upon number. For example, when we wake up early in the morning, hearing the alarm clock, that clock works on number. Then all of us have got calendars at our home. We use that calendar to see which month of the year it is, which date it is. So all that, the calendar has got numbers in it. Then while riding a vehicle, we come across some of the questions like the distance covered by the vehicle, or the time taken to cover the distance, or what was the speed of the vehicle, all such things. Then uh, we have got address. While writing the address, most of us we mention some of the numbers like either the street number, house number, flat number, or building number, and etc. Then then the cell phones that we use nowadays, everything is based on numbers on that also, and the list goes on. So for this reason it is very important to study about numbers. So let's start with the basic concept of numbers. The first one is natural number. First is natural number. Natural numbers are the numbers that we use while counting things, and that begins from 1 onwards. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and onwards. So it starts from 1. And now let's come to what are whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that begins with 0 and then followed by the natural number. So whole number includes 0 with natural numbers. Let us begin with our first chapter, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? In mathematics, whole numbers are basic counting numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onward. Now, if we draw a number line and divide that line into equal division and assign each number on those division, we can count them as 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and onwards. So all these numbers that we can count are basically the whole. Also, whole number includes all the natural number that begin from 1 onwards. Now, in this circle, if we assign this small circle as natural numbers that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and onwards, then the whole number will be this bigger circle which includes all these digits that are there in natural number along with 0. Another next important point is all whole numbers are positive integers. In our previous classes, we have studied about decimal and fraction. Decimals 4.02, fractions example 4 by 8. All these decimals and fractions, generally we do not include them in counting numbers, hence we cannot call them as whole numbers. So we can conclude that whole numbers include all the natural numbers which begins from 1 onwards along with 0, and they are all positive integers. Now let's move forward to another topic, that is place value chart. We all know that there are two types of place value chart. One is the Indian system and the other one is the international place value system. We are already familiarized with this Indian place value chart. Let us just brush up once again. Here we can see there are 4 main divisions: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Again, in case of ones, we have three another division: ones, tens, hundreds. Under thousand, we have two division: thousand and ten thousands. Under lakhs, we have again two division: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then in crores, we have again two divisions: crores and 10 crores. These are the number of zeros we can see in each values. See. Now let us begin with one digit. Here we have one 8-digit number. We will assign this 8-digit number in this place value chart. Let us begin from the ones digit. First we have here 4, then here 0, then here 2, again 2, then 1, 6, 4, 7. So this is 7 crore 46 lakh 12,204. This is how we assign an 8-digit number in an Indian place value system. Let us take another example of again an 8-digit number. Here again we have to assign this in this Indian place value chart. So let us do it once again. We will start from this side. This is 6, 7, 2, 8, 5, 3, 7, 6. So here we can say that this 8-digit number is 6 crore 73 lakhs 58,276. Now we can also write this in its expanded form with the help of this place value chart. We will write it like this: 6 crore means it has to have how many zeros? 7 zeros. So this is 6 crore. Then 73 lakhs means 70 lakhs we have to first write, and then we will write 3 lakh with 5 zeros, and then we have got 58,000, 8,000, then 276. So this is how we write the expanded form of an 8-digit number with the help of Indian place value chart. Now let's move to the international place value chart. International place value chart has got three sections: ones, thousands, millions. Under ones we have got again three columns: ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands also we have got three columns: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Under millions also we have got three sections: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now if we want to tally our international place value chart with the Indian place value chart, and if we want to find the value of 1 million in Indian system, what will be the value of 1 million? It will be 10 lakh. So in case of Indian place value chart, 1 million is 10 lakhs. Now what will be the value of 1 crore in international place value chart? 1 crore is 10 millions in case of international place value chart. Now let us try to revise whatever we have studied till now with some exercise questions. The first question that we have is write the numbers. Number A is 29,57,925. It is very important to first draw a chart like this for our own convenience in order to answer these type of questions. So once we have drawn these kind of chart, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, here we are using the Indian place value system firstly. Now let's try to fill up this blanks. So here we can see this is 5297592. So this is 29,57,925. Here we have another one. 6,59,61,876. For our own convenience, we have to again draw this small chart and then we will fill these blanks. So here is our answer. 66,59,61,876. Now let's move to the second question. Second question is saying write the number in words in Indian place value system. Number 1 is this. Now for our convenience, whenever we get this kind of question, it is always better to write it like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this will be 41,67,348. So here is our answer, 41,67,348. Next, let's move to the next question. Again, for our convenience, let's try to answer it like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this will be 7 crore 34 lakhs 85,193. So here is our answer, 7 crore 34 lakh 85,193. Now let's come to question number 3. Write the expanded form of these numbers. We have to write the expanded form of these given numbers. See, here it is 69 lakh 12,495. So in case of expanded form, how can we write it? We have to write it like this. So this is 60 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 4. Let's try to solve the next question like this. This is 8 crore 42 lakh 65,852. We have to write it in its expanded form. So this is how we will write it: 8 crore 40 lakhs 2 lakhs 60,000 5,850 plus 2. Now question number 4. Here we have to write the numbers from the expanded form. Means in the previous question we have to write the expanded form. In this question we have been given the expanded form. We have to write the numbers from them. So here we have got two questions. Let's try to solve one by one. This is 40 lakh, 3 lakhs, 20,000, 7,389. So this will be 43 lakhs 27,389. Let's come to the next question. This is 9 crores 40 lakhs 3 lakhs 10,000 5,870 and 2. So we will write it once again like this: 9 crore 43 lakhs 15,872.